In California workers' compensation, there's essentially 5 benefits. The first thing you would get is something for your medical treatment. You don't have to treat out of pocket or pay copays for your treatment. In workers' compensation in California, every insurance carrier has a list of approved doctors who you would see. That's why you cannot go to your private health insurance doctor in a workers' comp case, because it's set up under the workers' compensation system. Second benefit is called temporary disability, which pays you if you're unable to work or your employer cannot accommodate the restrictions the doctor gives you to go back to work. The temporary disability in California is generally 2/3 of your gross pay. The third benefit is something called permanent impairment, which is not the same as disability. For example, I was a painter and I fell off the ladder onto my shoulder and I ended up having shoulder surgery and then therapy, and then I go back to work months later in my painting job. But after 3 hours of painting, my shoulder is beginning to ache and throb, and it's lost some range of motion and it feels weaker. I'm not disabled, but I'm now painting in my job with these impairments that I did not have before, but for the injury. The higher the percentage of impairments you get, the more money you get in the workers' comp system. The fourth benefit is if you're so hurt you cannot go back to your job, you're entitled to something called vocational rehabilitation. And then there's a tiny little benefit wherein the workers' comp insurance will pay for your mileage to and from the doctor's office and back, whether it's therapy or an orthopedic doctor, whatever doctor, they will pay for your gas money for that, which is good. Side note there is they will not pay for your time off from work. And those are the benefits that workers' comp can offer in California.